back with another banger and back with another reaction, man. But you already know what we're getting into, man. We're gonna react to Machine Gun Kelly. People been asking for a lot. We're gonna react to Machine Gun Kelly sales. But before we get into this video, man, you know you already gotta do, man. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're new to be notified on every little banger that we do, man, on this channel. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, man. I love all the support, likes, comments. Just keep on commenting down what should I react to, man. And I do read every comment, so you already know I'm gonna get to you, bro. But man, we're gonna get into this video, man. Machine Gun Kelly sales. Let's go. He just came with a gang spit. I like this beat.
This is a real rapper's theme music. Bitch, sing to it. This how you cook up some dope with no powder. Don't turn on that stove, just turn this shit up louder. Black Eddie Bauer, mask on my face like I'm ready to take what is yours cause it's ours. Y'all stole my style, I shit on you like bowels and take all your princesses. Bitch, I am Bowser. Fuck superpowers, I got this weed. Gun on my hip, dog, that's all that I need. I don't play games, man, I'm not in no league. And I don't drop no names, but bitch, I am from Cleveland. Let it down, someone tell Britney we did it again. I heard who got her acquitted again. And my bank account holding 6 digits again. Pull out some hand, this for the ones who ain't make it. This for the ones who ain't make it. Focus your lands, pointed at me and see greatness. Pointed at me and see greatness. Ready to Benz, don't need a all that Mercedes. Friends don't need all white he racist. But homie, I'm saying, I need a penthouse that's vacant. A-rap money, salam alaikum. The bitch is so wicked. Pick up your shot, my bitch is a murderer. She got a body, she got that brain. Summa cum laude, my city the jungle. Don't think that's safari. It's lions, it's tigers, gangster disciples. Lords, Judas, and shakes and them rifles. Whores who swear that they live by the Bible. When friends who think they deserve more than entitled. And that's why I'm out of the ghetto, away from the mornings with snow and that shovel. I'm out of this level, I'm trying to be number one, why would I settle? Go to the new world, no Pinto, no Nino, no Santa Maria. Still keep it hood with my peers, sipping Carlos Foxy Sangria. Dropping my club, working my wrist, I be spending my blood. Juggle my nuts, use your 2 hands while I juggle these fucks. But that's zero, it's numb. My hands busy holding middle fingers up. I don't do 2 things, that's love and it's trust. And I don't hate y'all, I'm just fucking with us. And that's where the Nipsey, my hustles mean I can sell plastic and Griffey. I'm like Lionel Richie, my fans got me touring till 2050. This cycle is evil, this verse is Patino on top of my people. And fuck all these fakers, can't wait till you back on your feet, the streets need you. Up out of the ghetto, away from the mornings with snow and that shovel. Up out of this level, I'm trying to be number one, why would I settle? Go to the new world, no Pinto, no Nino, no Santa Maria. And I still keep it hood with my peers, sipping Carlos Foxy Sangria. Kells.
Okay. What is that, hint? Oh, grape juice. What is that? Put that in the comments below. It's on fire. Okay. He did his thing. Sale? Okay, got 100 million views, over 100 million views. I see why. Man, sell it to the coast. Sell it to the coastline, huh? Sell it to the views. Bro, hey, this song was lit. This song was good, man. Machine Gun Kelly by Sales, bro. This song was good, man. But you already know, man, we on the ground of 400 subscribers, bro. Keep on bringing bangers like this, man. We gonna keep on reacting to them, bro. So you already know, man. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're new to be notified on every little banger that we do. But, man, you already know, man. Peace, one love. We out, bro.